What's up, my beautiful people? Last time we left off, I had cleaned my closet out. Yeah, don't be looking at that mess, okay? None of your biz. Anyways, so in here, they replaced all my lights looking all gorgeous, right? But then in here, they still left me with this old things because they just did it recently. So what we want to do now is we want to make it bright in here, okay? Don't worry about all this stuff. But we want to make it nice and bright. So we're going to have to replace these light bulbs. First, we got to get rid of all these, and put some new ones. I brought some tools with me. Okay, I got my drill bits. I got my little screwdriver set. I got my drill. I got my wire just in case I need some. Then I got my little bing, bing, bing. You need this when you're playing with electricity, so you can figure out, what's good and what's not. I mean, what's hot and what's cold, because you don't play with electricity when it's hot. Then I got these little, thingamajigs right here. Okay, and last but not least, I got a whole new drill bit set. So, we about to see if we can make this happen, shorty. Okay, so we've removed the covers to where the wires are. We're exposing the wires. This is mouse poop, so I guess inside this doggone light, the mouse be liking to hang out. But we're about to test these hot water, or these wires. I turned the light off at the switch. Now we're gonna use this to check to see if the wires are hot. Okay, it's green, so therefore it is not hot anymore. Okay, so now we can go ahead and unplug. Well, we remove this. We're gonna remove these two bolts. This one and this one. And then we're gonna take these wires apart. We've removed the original one off. Now we're gonna try to open this up to see if we can find a ground in there and go from there. We're able to put this 3/8 on here. And we got these wires ready. We got our ground and our neutral and our up there. So we better go ahead and hook them up, close this up, and then find a spot to put it on. So we done wired the hot to the hot, which is the black, the ground to the ground, which is the, copper one, and then the white is the neutral. So now we're about to close this thing up. We closed it up. It actually functions. So now we're about to put it up with these hangers. Drilled some pilot holes. And now we're about to go ahead and drive them in. Bracket 1 in, bracket 2 in. Now to put the light in. That is how you do it. Okay, now we're gonna turn the light on. Ta-da! Big difference, huh? That's the old one, this the new one. Now that we're done with this light, we're gonna tackle this one. In order to do so, we're gonna first remove this original light off, take the cover off, turn the lights off. Okay, we got the lights out. Well, we better take the lights out first. And after we take the lights out, then we'll disconnect. Okay, so one thing I noticed is we got a hot wire. There's a hot wire, and also there's a hot wire. It's probably carrying the power. But there's no ground. So we're gonna have to ground this thing. The other one had the same problem. We got a little baby ground wire. So now we'll punch a hole on here. We're gonna have one of these 3/4 clamp tie connectors. And then we're gonna connect our light. Okay, we've connected the wire. Now to see if it works. It is good to go. Now we're gonna close this up and then put our mounts. Here we got the pilot holes for the brackets. Now it's time to put the brackets in. So we closed it up, got the brackets in. Now to put the light in. Clip. Clip, clip. And that, my friends, is how you do it. Ta-da! Thank you for hanging out with me. God bless you.